Well, hello. I'm Denise Miller, your Leadership Lady Live, and we're here for your Wednesday communications tip. As you know, I was on a 7-week hiatus, and this week I am coming back. And one of the things that I want to talk about in our leadership tip today is how to re-engage your team after a time away. The first thing that you have to remember is whether you've been on vacation, medical leave, or just taking a step back like I did, coming back requires intentional re-engagement. That is especially true when you are a leader of a team or even an organization. The key points to remember are acknowledge your time away. Don't try to step in as though you were just here last week. You weren't, and it's okay. But you do need to reconnect individually with key team members. You need to be transparent about what you learned during your break, and you need to set up clear expectations moving forward. Also, remember that others assumed additional duties in your absence. Think clearly about how to recognize their contributions to your team in your absence and whether they should permanently continue to perform some of those tasks or whether they would like to be relieved of them. I think that it's a two-way discussion. And as we do that, we will be able to smoothly reconnect with our teams. And speaking of fresh starts, this is the perfect time to join our community because our fourth quarter challenge begins October 6th. And I also have something special for women navigating our career transition, and that starts on October 11th. Don't let this quarter pass without taking action on your own behalf, taking action on your goals, taking action that will set you up for great progress and success in 2026. Look in the description for links to R4 Women in Transition or to the fourth quarter challenge information. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen. Have a wonderful Wednesday and a great balance of the week.